Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for coming to check out this video. I wanted to come and share this new wig I found. It's from Shake and Go, the Organique Light Yaki Lace Front Wig. I saw it at the beauty supply store and was like, ugh, I have to have it. The color looks so good on the mannequin. It was somewhere around $40, which is not bad at all. It is 24 inches long with a 5-inch middle part. You'll see it has standard cap construction. There's 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. And I noticed it has this like sticky texture around the whole perimeter, which I thought was good for people with short hair like me. The lace is pretty basic. It's not HD or anything. There's a few baby hairs at the front. You can see that the lace color is actually pretty light, but I'll be fixing that later. And like I said, it is 24 inches long. The wig I bought is in the color 27. It's a straight up honey blonde from root to tip. It also comes in some other cute colors like platinum and copper red. Again, this one is in the color 27. Alright, so straight out the box, I noticed the hair was like really soft, especially for a synthetic wig. It didn't tangle or shed at all. I tried the wig on before cutting the lace and everything to get an idea of what this color was going to look like. Because, it was bomb on the mannequin, but when I got it home, I was like, I don't know about this. For some reason, I thought it was going to be like a very subtle look, more 90s Beyonce. Anyway, I noticed as I was trying it on that the lace didn't actually cover the whole front. It just went from temple to temple instead of ear to ear, which I didn't like. With a color like this, I want an actual full lace so my real hair doesn't show, but it is what it is. I didn't do any special wig prep for this wig. I just slicked my hair down as best as I could. Because the lace was a little pale looking, I added some bronzer to it. This one is from Black Radiance, the Contour Trio, and I used a small stippling brush to really push the bronzer into the lace. After I apply the bronzer, grab my Got2b hairspray and spray that all over. Then I just sealed it in with the blow dryer, and now it doesn't look so ashy. I didn't feel the need to do the whole ball cap method with this wig since it didn't have ear-to-ear lace. Instead, I just tucked my hair under the wig cap and chose whatever cap was closest to my skin tone. And when it came to the install, I kept it real simple because I didn't really plan to wear this wig for long. I mainly just used the combs that were already on the wig to secure it. But with the adjustable straps and whatever that sticky stuff is they put on here, I'd say this wig was pretty secure by itself. I did, however, spend a lot of time trying to get the lace to look right. I didn't do any plucking, although I probably should have because the part was pretty thick. I cut the lace in half and used a single blade razor to trim the lace. I ended up getting distracted and cut a little too far into the hairline, but it is what it is. A single blade razor is best to use when you're trying to get a more natural looking hairline as opposed to using just scissors. It makes the cut look jagged, which blends into the skin a lot better than a typical straight cut. After cutting the lace off, I added some more baby hairs because I wanted to be extra with the baby hairs, at least at first. I went in and sectioned off a few hairs and cut them the same length as the baby hairs that were already on there. Now, I'm not a baby hair expert or anything. I always struggle with this part, but I do the best that I can. I try to be careful and not do too much because baby hair can get carried away real quick. I just pulled out a few hairs, and after they were cut, I used some mousse to swoop them down, then my Got2b hairspray to keep them in place, and that's it. Now, like I mentioned before, the hairline on this wig was a little difficult to finesse. I tried a few things to get it to look decent. I think I blow dry the hair around the part to flatten it and smooth it out, but after all that work I did, I realized it was actually the baby hair making it look funny. This wig looks a lot better without baby hair, and I'll try to insert some pics so you can see the difference. But anyway, after I finished the install, I wrapped it up with a satin scarf and bonnet, you know the deal. And the next day, I did a little bit of makeup because I felt like this wig definitely required at least a little bit of something because the color is just so loud. I do have mixed feelings about this wig. I love it, but it could be better. A wig with this kind of color I felt like should have ear to ear lace, and the parting was a little too thick. I do think it will look great in a natural color like a jet black or a dark brown, especially since there's only a little bit of lace. It would make a really good natural looking wig. But anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you want to get this wig yourself, I'll leave the link for it and all the details in the description box. Again, thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or just thought it was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell if you like more videos. And that's it for this video. See you later.